Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. I wanted to take this moment. Thought I'd go over my little Esbit trouble in my Christmas video. I was having trouble with the matches and with the stove, and I thought I'd kind of do a video and talk about that. So first of all, the matches. I suspect what was going on with the matches. I mean, it may have been because it was a cold day, but I think because I had these in my pocket, I think a little bit of pocket sweat had gotten onto the book of matches from Dragonfire Tinderbox. Little plug for them. I'll link their website down below. So I suspect that's what was going on with the matches. I'll try writing one now. See, it's not even, and then I drop them. So. Yeah, see, they're not even striking. So. Yeah, what are you gonna do? Okay, so along with that, and the matches being a pain, the other thing that was happening is, and I'll just do this as a demo, is I would use the lighter to light the match, but when I set it on the cube, maybe I'll pull it out of the package. It's all hard to see that, but when I put the match down on the Esbit, they kept tipping forward like that, and so the flame, I don't know if you can see that. Alright, so the matches were tipping forward like this, and they weren't actually hitting the cube. So, and then I set another one, did the same thing, set another one, did the same thing. So, you know, kind of a pain. Okay, so I got to thinking about what would be a good way to maybe combat this problem. I thought, well, why not just a cotton ball? They're light to carry, you can get them damn near anywhere. And you just set the cotton right on top. It seems to be working pretty well. This is more black, by the way. Yeah, lighten right up. Well, it seems to be just about burnt out. Cotton ball worked pretty well, actually. In fact, it's still here. I could light it. Whatever.